I all. Thank you. So now you can see the two numbers 59 and 234. I want everyone to use the chat box and tell me what is the difference between these two numbers. आपको क्या difference दिखाई दे रहा है इस two numbers में? You can tell me in the chat box. Use the chat box everyone to give me the answer. Everyone. If someone wants to unmute themselves, you can do that. Right side has 2 digits and left side has 3 digits. Thank you, Payal and Palan. That is exactly the what we wanted to know about. Okay. I'll share my screen again. I don't know. Okay. So Payal and Palak have given us the answer that the number 59 is a 2-digit number and number 234 is a 3-digit number. So you can also identify it in different ways also. This is a smaller number. 234 is a bigger number when we compare it. And otherwise, this is basically a 2-digit number. So what are present in 2-digit number? So you can see in 59, we have 9 and 5. So 9 is, Rakshit, you want to answer? आपने hand raise किया. You want to answer? Yes, बोलो.
दीदी unit और tenths.
Units and tenths, correct. Thank you so much. You have correctly identified it that 59 is having units place and tenths place. All right. So correctly said, we have units and tenths place for 59. And when we talk about the number 234, we are having 3 places. That is unit, tenth, and also a hundredth place. Okay. So this is the difference between the two numbers. I can see the responses on the chat box also. Rakshit has written units and tenths place. 59 is smaller number. All right. Thank you, everyone. But now, can you write in the chat box what places are there for number 234? What are the places? We had units and tenths for 59.
What दीदी?
हमारे पास 59 में we had units and tenths place. All right. So now for 234, can you tell me what are the places that we call it as place value? So what are the place value for you number 234? We already know that is units place and the 3 is at tens place. Now what is the next one? Can anyone tell me? Ones and tens. Okay, Rakshit has written 100, unit tens and 100 place. 4 ones, 3 tens and 200. Correct. Correct. Correct, everyone. So we have 4 in units place, number 3 at tens place, and number 2 at hundreds place. So this is the place value for this number 200. Okay. So only 2 places are available for 59, that is units and tens, and this other number is having 3 different places. All right. Can you see here? This picture, you can see this 3 rods. Okay, this 3 rods. What are these 3 rods? So this, I will take my annotation and I will use this spotlight. Okay. So see, you can see this red, I am spotlighting it. This is units place. Okay, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. Okay, so now you can see here in units place there are how many beats? We can count it for ourselves: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 beats in this units place. Next, in tens place we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here also we have 4. And when we move to hundreds place, that is 1, 2 and 3. So can you guess what will be the number? Can you all guess what will be the number?
Didi, 3.
Try to write down the number for yourself. If you have your notebooks and pencils, please write down the number for yourself.
Okay.
इसके पहले हम क्या करते थे? We used to draw, right? हम balls draw करते थे, dots draw करते थे और represent करते थे. Right now we are using these beads. I want answers in the chat box.
Notebook.
344 Joy has written.
Did you draw
344,
notebook?
that is 344. 3404. Deep has written 344. All right. Many of you have. Please go on mute, everyone. Use the chat box. Very nice. I can see many of you using the chat box. Okay. Now let's check out. Is it correct or not?
344.
Please go on mute. आप chat box में लिख सकते हैं.
चैट बॉक्स में
Okay. So see here we have 4. So that means on the I will write down here. That means at the units place you will have 4. Then we move towards 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also we have 4. Then we move to the hundreds place. There we have 1, 2 and 3. So this becomes 3. So now can you see we have got the number 344. So many of you have given us the correct answer. So children, this is a very good method of representing your number. This is the very good method of representing your number. Joy is trying us to show something. Okay. So children, this way we can represent the number and find out easily what number it is. Okay. Okay children, now I am giving you a number in the chat box. Draw it like this in a bead form and show me. So I am giving you the number. You have to draw this time. I have first shown you how will you draw it. So now you are going to draw it in your notebook, everyone. Okay. And here you eyes on the chat box, everyone. Here is your question. You have your question as Chalo. You have your question on the chat box. 263. Please stop now. Previous answers, everyone. You have a new question. 263. Draw it. First, draw this rod. Units place, tens place. So you will draw it like first create this. So you can do it rough in a rough way also right now. That is 3 dots. Units, tens and hundreds place. And you can write down. You can write 0 or otherwise you can write unit, tens and hundreds place. All right. Waiting for everyone to just complete this and show us. Joy has done this. For the new number, Joy, you did. So how many beats are there, Joy, in the tens place? How many beats you have drawn on the tens place? Number was 263. So how many beads will be there in 10th place?
6. Didi 6.
Correct. Joy, please check it again. How many beads in units place, Laiba?
11. Didi 11.
11. Please check it. Number was 263.
Yes, Didi.
How many beads in units place?
Didi 2.
Units place, Rakshit. Unit.
Didi 3.
Yes, correct. 3. And in hundreds place, Apurva?
Didi. दीदी
Yes.
ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
आप कौन बोल रहे हो?
रिया.
रिया ठीक है, रुको, आप आगे जैसे हम जाएंगे ना आपको समझ में आएगा, ठीक है? Okay, so children, you can see, I will draw it for you now. The number was 263. All right. So I can draw like this. I have drawn this 3 rods, and these 3 rods are units place, tens place, and hundred place. Okay, and our number is 2, 6, and 3. So in units place we have 3. So that means here we will have in units place 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now in tens place we have number 6. So we will draw it as 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now in hundreds place we have 2. That means 1 and 2. So now you can easily count the beats. First 2 minutes. You can easily count the beats. That is 1, 2, 3. That means 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. And 1, 2 is hundreds. So the number becomes 263. All right. I hope you all have got this correct answer. Sonakshi, have you done this? Apurva, Rakshit, show me a thumbs up if you are done, everyone.
Done, Didi. Didi.
Show me a
Done,
thumbs up.
Didi.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Moving ahead now. So I hope everyone is clear how we are going ahead and representing the number in the beads form. Okay. Now you have a number here. You have to tell me how many digit number can you make from this following card. So you have to form numbers from this. You can see there are 3 cards. क्या हुआ बेटा, हम chat box में बोलिए. Okay, children, you can see there are 3 numbers. कोमल, आपको कौन से नंबर दिखाई दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Which number?
4, 8, and 1.
Thank you, Shreya. But please wait for your turn, okay? So we have 3 numbers here. That is 4, 8, and 1. So now you have to make 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. There will be 3 place values. So chalo, everyone start doing it in your notebook. You have next 2 minutes to complete this.
दीदी हमें बीट्स ड्रॉ करने हैं.
बीट्स नहीं ड्रॉ करना है बेटा, आपको नंबर बनाना है.
ये जो इधर बॉक्स.
You can do it in your notebook first and then you can write it down on the chat box. Try to make how many numbers you can make from this card.
दीदी.
One number that is easily visible on the screen. एक नंबर जो आपको स्क्रीन पे सामने दिखाई दे रहा है वो खुद एक 3 digit number बन जाएगा. But उसके बाद you will try to make other 3 digit numbers. You can shift the numbers here and there, and then you can form it. I'm just giving you an idea. Kirtana, please sit straight.
Didi, G14.
Please put it on the chat box. I can't see Meera today. All the cameras are off. Didi का camera network is not good. Then also I'm trying to put it on. देखो दीदी के स्क्रीन पे कितनी सारी लाइन आ रही है. Because it is raining heavily. But still I have put on my camera. I want to see everyone. Riya, Komal, Joy, Daksh, Payal, Yuvraj, Tanishka, Pranav Pawar, Aradhya, everyone. Please put on your cameras on. Okay. I am receiving responses on the chat box. 814, 134, 134. Harsh, check karo. There is no 3 in this card. You have only 3 cards. 4, 8 and 1 card. 814, 841, 184, 148, 418. Okay, Joy has given us 4 to 5 numbers. Tanishka has given us 814, 841, 184, 148, 418. Correct answers. Correct. Hello children, start making the numbers. I can see everyone making 814 and 184. Try to make more numbers. All right. So now let's check out. And then you will say, oh, I could not make this. Check out children. See here we have 4, 8 and 1. So we can make it 4, 8, 1. That becomes 481. Then we can use this middle card, that is 8. Then this first card 4 and last card, that is 1. So it becomes 841. Next we can make 148. Then I can make 480, 814, 184. So this way I have formed 6 numbers. And all these are 3-digit numbers. So children, have you seen what did I do? I had single numbers, that is 1-digit numbers. And from that 1-digit numbers, I have made a 3-digit number. Okay, so this single digit number, that is 1-digit numbers, that can make a 3-digit number. So all is fun with numbers, all right? And I could see many of you have correctly made these numbers in the chat box. Okay. So now you can see this number 313. I will read it as 113 or 311. Chetra, how will I read out this number? Chetra?
3111113.
113. So what will that become?
130.
Thank you.
130.
Yes. Now everyone will go on mute.
130.
Everyone will go on mute.
311. 130.
311. How is that 311? We start counting from the units place. Here on the units place. Let me take my flashlight. Okay. See, on the units place we have 3. On the tens place we have 1. And on hundreds place we have 1. So we will read out it as 100. 113. So when we read, we start from this way, from hundreds place, right? And when we are looking at the number, we look at the units, tens, and hundreds place. All right. चलो. Please stay on mute.
पे 2 1 है, हम इसलिए हम यहाँ पे 2 नंबर ही बना सकते हैं.
हाँ, correct. Okay, so children, you can see here we have blocks here.
मेरा दिमाग तेरे पास जाता है.
इस तरीके से हम beads draw करते हैं ना. We can also. Okay, children, the meeting might get over after 10 minutes. Then, if time remains, we will join again. Okay. So you can see on the screen we have 1, 10, and 100. Can you tell me what is the difference between the three? तीनों में you can see there are few boxes, blocks been drawn. ठीक है? पर तीनों में कुछ अलग तरीके से draw किया गया. ध्यान से we will observe the picture very carefully. What is the difference? You can also connect with when we do grouping. जब हम grouping करते हैं, that time or we form bundles. We always form bundles for the numbers. We have 10 sticks and we pile it up together and we tie it. That becomes our one bundle. And one bundle has 10 sticks. So remember in that way and look at the picture carefully. Anyone?
दीदी 1 4.
हाँ? नहीं, आपको पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखना है.
1 4.
I can see raised hand. Apurva, you want to answer? Apurva?
Didi, can I say?
Yes, Chetra, go ahead.
144.
144. Thank you, Chetra. That is the correct number. But when we have drawn this, what is the difference between the ones, tens, and the hundreds?
Didi, I say?
Yes,
Didi,
you can.
1. Number ज़्यादा है.
Wait.
100 box ज़्यादा है.
Yes, Apurva.
Didi, can I?
Wait. One person at a time. Apurva is speaking right now. Apurva, please complete.
100 tens ones. Didi, 400. Okay, और 4 जब आपने first stick और 4 में 4.
Okay, Apurva. Wait. Laiba, please unmute. Now say
140 plus 4. ज़्यादा है और 4
Okay. 4 sticks. Okay, I will tell you the difference. Now everyone will go on mute. Otherwise, Didi is putting you all on mute.
4.
Chalo, I will put you on mute. Thank you, everyone. Now no one is touching the button. Okay. Now see here, when you see at this picture, in the ones place, you have loose blocks. They are not together. They are loose. Okay. But when you see here, see this. These are all single blocks. 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, and 4 block. But when you see in the tens place, can you see this single ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are all together 10. So this is 1, 1 10. This is the next group of 10. That is 2 10. Here we have 3 10. And then it is 4 10. Okay. So in 1 10 we have 10 single blocks. Then in the 2 10 we have 20 blocks. In 3 10 we have 30 blocks. And in 4 10s we have 40 blocks. So that makes the number 4 10. And when you reach to 100, so can you tell me how many blocks will be there in hundreds? How many bundle of it?
10.
Very good. So 100 will have 10 blocks bundle. Okay, like 110, 210, 310. So you can see here there are all together joined like a cube. It becomes a block. We have blocks that are formed to plate to lift it. So similarly, this forms a block of 100. Yes, Harsh? Yes. 10. Correct, Harsh? Okay. So this is 100. So same way, whenever you are representing any number, you have to keep in mind that in units place it will be loose blocks. In tens place it will be a group of 10 blocks together. Okay, and in hundreds place it will be like this. So if you have 100 like this, you will have only one block like this. Agar my number is different from this, okay? If my number is different, if I only had here 100. If I have 200, then what will happen?
144.
No, I will draw 200 blocks like this. There will be one more block. Okay, I will draw one more block like this. So that will become 200. Okay, so remember this. Whenever you find any difficulty in writing down the number, you can just draw it and find out the number. All right. Okay. Now we have this. We are going to write down the 3-digit number in words. I will be sharing with you later on when we have our offline class. But today we are just looking at it. See, this is 5, 1 and 6. So we write it down as 516. When we have 101, we write it down as 101. 633. So we read it out as 633. Okay, 987. Okay, so this way we will complete all the 3-digit numbers. And when we reach out to the biggest 3-digit number, that is 999. 999. After 999, you can see on my screen now, I am writing this number 999. Now after this, what will be the number?
1000.
What thousand?
1000.
Correct. After 999, we have 1000. That means 1 and 3 zeros. So now this becomes, now we had only 3-digit numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3. And it had unit, tens and hundreds place. But now as we move after 999, we are now having 4 places. And these 4 places are, anyone would like to tell me what are these 4 places?
Can I tell?
Yes, you can.
Didi, 1000.
So what are the 4 different places in this? Joy, you want to say? Okay, everyone on mute. Everyone on mute. Okay, unless your name is taken, you are not supposed to unmute yourself. Please, Joy, if you want to answer, you have a hand raised. Only those who are raising their hands will get a chance. Meera, go ahead.
1, 10, 100,000.
So, Meera, what are the different place values that you have here? In number 99, 999, we had units place, tens place and hundreds place. Now when we are introducing to thousands, you can see how many digits here? 4 digits. So now we have Yes. Okay.
Four digits. It is 4-digit number.
Okay.
इथं झालं का?
Now go on mute.
If we add four,
Okay. Can you see here now? So
yes,
we have units place. We have tens place. Children, observe the picture very properly, carefully, everyone. We have hundreds place and we have thousands place. So in the previous 3-digit number, we had only drawn 3 rods. Okay.